Hey everyone, so today I have a Finding Unicorn box, and Finding Unicorn reached out to me, asked if I can make a couple of videos for them, so I did. So here is everything that I got. They gave me a couple of Lonely Moon, Shinwoo Lonely Moons, and then I also got a couple of Molinta Springlist, and I also got two zzoton Blessing for Fruit. So I'm super excited. Now, I'm going to use one of these Lonely Moons because I'm going to make a little craft video out of this one. So we're going to take this one out, but we'll open the other five. So these are the 5 boxes that we'll be opening today, and I also have a discount code for anyone who wants to buy. It is PolyMomo, and you get 20% off. So add that to your order. And don't forget, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the store and tell you which ones that I plan to get more of in the future because these are so cute. Okay, so first, we're going to start with the Spring Molintas. And there's a lot of different options here. And it's just Molinta in different outfits, and there are 2 hidden ones, one with a skateboard and one with a hat. They all look really cute. I do like the one with the little panda purse, and then this one holding the umbrella is really cute. But I actually wouldn't mind any of them as long as they're not doubles. That's all that matters. So let's go ahead and open. Oh, there's a little sticker here. And here's the little packaging. It looks really cute. Very springy. Ooh, and we got the Molinta and the polka dots. So we got the packing bouquet. I think it comes with a card too. So it comes with this card right here, the packing bouquet, and here she is. And she looks so good. I wonder if she can stand by herself. Kind of. Let's just kind of lean her against the box. Let's go ahead and open the second Molinta. So, now that we have the packing bouquet, let's see. We just don't want her, but I do want one of these two. I think these two are the cutest ones here. Lots of pieces falling out. Okay, and we got Take a Tour. So she's kind of like a cow themed, but she's really cute too. And she has a little purse that says Forest with a little bear strap. There's a lot of detail on these, and I like how glossy they are. It's like they're glazed with UV resin. So let's go ahead and just open the Lonely Moon. Now, there's a lot that I want from Lonely Moon. Oh, I love the art so much. I love the box. So, I want Revenger. But Moon Eraser is my number 1. I want Moon Eraser the most. And then, I do like Meteor Sniper a lot. Okay, let's go ahead and open. Ooh, and it's round. Oh my god. Oh, it's the Miner? It's Moon Miner. It's heavy. It's big. This is my first Shinwoo. I didn't realize it was this big. So we got Moon Miner, and it comes with this little lantern. And it goes like this. Our first Shinwoo ever is the Moon Miner. Very heavy and very big, and with a little star lantern. Super cute. Okay, so next we're going to do the Blessing for Fruit by zzoton, and it's so cute. I love the box. The box in itself is so adorable. And then these are the different options you can get. You can get rich, fortune, healthy, happiness, wealthy, success, carefree, A++, good luck, peace, best wishes, and surprise. And then 2 secret ones. I think the number one I want would be... I like the good luck and peace. I think they're so cute. They're so big and fat. But my personal aspirations, I would like wealthy. I would like success. I would like healthy. But I actually really want good luck and peace. Ooh, okay, we have the apple one, so this one is we got wealthy. Wait, the card is holographic. I love the card. That card is so cool. The card is holographic and it's like a hard acrylic on one side, and then I think it's like a harder paper. I don't know. It's like this is cool. I like this. And look how glossy the little helmet is. Let's go ahead and just open it. Ooh, we got the strawberry one. So we have Carefree, and actually the card is not like Wealthy's. It's just like a regular plain yellow card. I wonder if it's because Wealthy's like a rare one, but it's not a hidden. But you know what? I'm not gonna argue. But she's pretty cute too. She's kind of like a dancing strawberry. Oh, I think I like this set a lot though. I think I want to get more. Find a unicorn, what have you done to me? So this is everything that we got. We have our 2 Molintas, our Lonely Moon Miner, and our 2 Blessing for Fruits. I love my wealthy figure the most. Please give me wealth. So we're gonna go to the Find a Unicorn website. I think I might need to get some more Blessing for Fruits and be blessed with more good fortunes. And don't forget to check out with the code POLYMOMOTI so you can get that 20% off. So this is the Find a Unicorn website, and you can kind of scroll down. The first thing my eyes immediately went to was the Lonely Moon. So of course I had to look at the set. And there's so many cute ones. There's Moon Eraser and Revenger, and I really wanted Revenger. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to our cart. And here is the Molinta Spring Series. So if you want to get more of that, you can add that to your cart as well. And finally, we have this set. This is their new zzoton set. It's like an amusement park, and there's so many cute ones. I really like the Instagram one a lot. So let's just add that to our cart too. So when you go to your cart, you can just go into the coupon code and put in POLYMOMOTI, and you get 20% off. So it saves you a little bit of money, and you can just press checkout. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.